Good morning, children. Today in your English class, you will do poem number 2, Grandparents, of your literature book. So turn to page number 35 and poem number 2, Grandparents. We'll start. Children, the word grandparents, when we hear this word, we can immediately feel love, affection, kindness, because grandparents, they hold a very special place in our heart, isn't it? We long to be in their company. हम उनकी कंपनी में रहने के लिए तरसते हैं. For those of them whose grandparents are not staying with them, they are in a village or somewhere far away, don't they want to be with them? उनके लिए वेट नहीं करते आप कि या वो आएँ या हम जाएं उनके पास, ताकि हम उनके साथ इतना अच्छा टाइम स्पेंड कर सकें. मज़ा आता है ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स की कंपनी में, राइट? Even they wait to be with their grandchildren because they hold a very special place in our heart and we hold a very special place in their heart. Why they are so special to us, we can't describe that in words. Why do we like spending time with grandparents? Because they are the ones who are always standing for us, who are always there for us. वो हमें प्यार करते हैं, हमारे साथ टाइम स्पेंड करते हैं, खेलते हैं और ढेर सारी कहानियाँ भी सुनाते हैं. इसीलिए तो होते हैं ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स इतने स्पेशल. नाउ दिस पोएम इज़ ऑल अबाउट ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स. नाउ आई विल रिसाइट द पोएम फॉर यू चिल्ड्रन. There are 3 stanzas in this poem, 3 paragraphs. We will start with the first one. Few can bring the warmth we can find in their embrace. Love and care is needed to bring a smile on their face. They are a storehouse of stories and they have time to wipe our tears. They make us laugh and smile and grow precious through the years. I believe that God sent us grandparents as a present from above to share the moments of our life as a symbol of God's love. This poem is written by Anonymous. Anonymous means somebody who is unknown, a poet who is unknown. We don't know the poet of this poem. Now let us understand the poem. Few can bring the warmth we can find in their embrace. Very few people have the capability of bringing warmth. Warmth means love, affection, that feeling of love and affection. तो बहुत कम लोगों में वो चीज़ होती है जब हम उनके साथ रहते हैं कि हमें इतना प्यार दे सकें. We can find in their embrace. There stands for grandparents here. So बहुत कम लोग होते हैं जिनकी कंपनी में हमें वो फीलिंग ऑफ लव मिलती है, दैट फीलिंग ऑफ वार्मथ मिलती है. और उनमें से वो कम लोगों में कौन है, सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट कौन है? ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स, जिनकी कंपनी जो हमें एम्ब्रेस करते हैं. एम्ब्रेस मीन्स हग करते हैं, जो जिनके हग में या जिनके एम्ब्रेस में हमें वो प्यार मिलता है. Love and care is needed to bring a smile on their face. And children, since grandparents are old, they need care, love also and care also by you, right? You have to look after them, you have to care for them. So love and care is needed to bring a smile on their face. So if you really love them, care for them, that's all they need to bring a smile on their face. That's enough for them to light up their face. They are a storehouse of stories and they have time to wipe our tears. वो storehouse हैं stories के. Storehouse means जहाँ खूब सारी चीज़ें, a place where we keep things and whenever we need them, we'll take it out. जब हमें ज़रूरत पड़ती है तब हम वहाँ से चीज़ें निकालते हैं. तो वो जैसे ऐसी जगह है उनके पास, ऐसा ख़जाना है स्टोरीज़ का कि वो ढेर सारी स्टोरीज़ हमें हर रोज़ नई एक निकाल के सुनाते रहते हैं. एंड दे हैव टाइम टू वाइप आवर टीयर्स. और उनके पास टाइम है हमारे लिए, हमारे दुख शेयर करने के लिए. our problems we can go and share with them because they give us all the hearing. They hear to our problems and then they can discuss with us and wipe our tears. या हमारे आंसू पोंछने के लिए, हमारी जो दुख हैं वो बांटने के लिए उनके पास टाइम है. They make us laugh and smile and grow precious through the years. और वो हमें किस्से सुनाते हैं, कहानियाँ सुनाते हैं, हंसाते हैं, खिलाते हैं. Right? They make us laugh and smile through all this. And they grow precious through the years. Precious means somebody who has a great or something which has a great value. Here it is grandparents who have grown precious, मतलब बहुत कीमती हो गए हैं with time. वो कीमती हैं हमारे लिए बिकॉज उनके जैसा हमारी लाइफ में और कोई नहीं है. I believe that God sent us grandparents. The poet is saying that the poet believes God ने grandparents को हमारे लिए भेजा है as a present from above. एक present की तरह भेजा है. It's a special thing that we will, a special present from above, from God. Grandparents are special present from God to us. To share the moments of our life as a symbol of God's love. To share the moments moment means a short period of time. To share little moments of our life, they are there to share those interesting moments of our life as a symbol of God's love. भगवान का जैसे हर जगह भगवान तो हो नहीं सकते. Right? God, have you seen God? No, you have not seen God. So God has as if sent grandparents just to in their place, in God's place, so that they can shower their love, affection and everything upon us and also take care of us. So it's a gift to us from God, a precious gift. That's what grandparents are.